majority of you already know about Canva, which is a very famous company among bloggers, freelancers, graphic designers, people working online, having their own online business or working for others. But for those who don't know, let me be very clear and very specific that Canva is actually a free graphic designing tool which was initially launched in 2012 by an Australian, and even he didn't knew that this can become a so bigger company and can be helpful for so many people. Without a doubt, Canva actually helped many people regarding to their designing needs. I personally took the benefit of it, so which is why I can say with confidence that Canva is actually a blessing. For even if I'm a YouTuber, it is actually helping me in so many ways, and like creating posters. Where I'm a blogger, I can write blog images with it. I can create blog images with it. There are so many functions and features of it. So this video is about how you can make money online through Canva. Yes, it's true that Canva, which is a very famous graphic designing tool, can actually help you in making money online. Yes, it's true, you can make money online with this, and I will show you step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money through Canva using this tool. So even I have said like $200 a day, you can even make much more than $200 a day. $200 is not even a maximum figure, and it is not even a minimum figure. It's all up to your personal efforts. Remember, with any method you also need to put your personal efforts in it. If you don't put your effort, you won't be able to earn through any method, regardless of how much in detail I'm telling you regarding. So let's get started. What is Canva? I already told you that what is Canva. Now, before we further move on, let's understand Canva pricing, and then I will move you towards the Canva. Okay, let's say if I open here, so you can see this is a Canva pricing page. Okay, Canva has basically two plans. One is Canva free, which is for $0 completely free, and one is $6.49. Remember, it varies from country to country, the pricing. If you are located in a different country, you may notice a different pricing for it, because the pricing is different for every every country, but it is not a huge difference. If you ask me, if you can afford, go with the Canva Pro. Without a doubt, Canva Pro, ever since I have been shifted to Canva Pro, it is actually a blessing. With so many premium images available, so many features, so many premium content, so many premium elements available, fonts available. I mean, so many functions with Canva Pro that I will recommend you to spend $7 for it. This can be a huge investment, but in case if you even don't have that investment, I'm not forcing you, because this method doesn't require any investment from you. So in case if you do not have any money in your pocket, you don't need to invest any money in this method, because this can work with Canva free as well. Now let's move on to Canva and see. Let's say I open my Canva account in front of you. Canva tutorial, user interface tutorial. So let's move on to Canva user interface tutorial. Okay, it actually loaded and I press the refresh button. Okay, with Canva you can do so many things. You can create whiteboards, presentations, social media pictures, video, more functions. So for instance, if I show you one thing, that you can create YouTube thumbnails through that. You know that I create my own YouTube thumbnails through Canva, and even the image of this video thumbnail is created through Canva. So you can see my last images. Even this is the image I'm using for this video, and you can see yourself that I have created this image in Canva, which actually is very eye-catchy, very much grabbing the attention. So which is why it's very good. picture. So there are so many things you can do with the Canva. You can create whiteboards, you can create presentations, you can see brainstorm whiteboard, text whiteboard, so many things you can create, even presentations, mobile presentations, talking presentations. Even with the Instagram, you can get Instagram story, add reel, animated Instagram post in Instagram post. So I mean, there are so many functions and features available even for Instagram that actually helps it. Even for Facebook, you can see Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, Facebook event cover, Facebook video. I mean, everything is an idea. Even it is for WhatsApp as well. So let's move on to few things, and I will help you in understanding that. Let's move on to Canva, because I also wanted to show you regarding YouTube and the selections it has already done for me as well. Okay, now this you can see YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails. It's very easy, and I will. You can see it's all you have to do is you have to. Let's say if I have to create a YouTube banner, I will click it. And move over here, and you can see it has already given me pre-designed templates and options. For instance, if I want to regarding success, if I wanted to create an image regarding success, it will show me relevant examples. If I want to show something related to money, it will show me relevant templates which I can easily use to create my image. So all I have to do is just to change the name, then the faces, and I'm done with it. You can see money making tips and okay, even let's say if I write health, you can see so many ideas, so many options. Fitness, even let's to be very specific, I write about weight. I have a product regarding weight loss and I wanted to promote it. See, you can see I can even use this thing as well. But much better is lose weight. Okay, there is an other way as well. I'm not sure if I'm using the right thing or not. Let's say yes. You can see there are so many things and so many pictures I can use, like this 30 days weight loss face challenge. I just have to remove the picture over here and put myself over here, and everything is fine. Let's say if I remove this lady from here and just put myself over here for just where I am. Let's say if I put myself over here, I know I'm not looking good in this picture, I understand. Here you are, and done. I can even better make the position towards backward. Okay, that's cool. All good and all. I can use it, and I can even write further on. I can even add this thing over here. Whatever images I have, I can even use it. I can even change the things, change the name, color, font. Even you can see it's a black color. I can move it towards a red color or pink color, or which color, whatever color I want. Now let's move on to the very interesting part, and that is on how to earn with Canva. Okay, earning, that is actually the main part of our video, and earning money through Canva is not difficult at all. So what you have to do is we are going to do freelancing, and we can earn good money through freelancing by just reselling this service. Just imagine how much potential these things have. Let's say if I move to Fiverr, which is a very common freelancing platform, and I'm sure all of you know about it already. And let's say if I search for a YouTube thumbnail, And now you can see that people are actually selling this service which you can create through Canva. 1K plus, $5, $10, attractive YouTube thumbnails, $20. Why $20? Okay. Not only this, you can also YouTube banner. You can see that people are also selling YouTube banners. I mean, the things are huge. And even when I moved to I also got information regarding Instagram posts, Instagram story, Instagram ads, Instagram reels. So let's say I want to search about Instagram posts. Now you can sell that people are also selling this service $15, $85. And let's say if I open this guy who is selling it for $15, and I also open this lady who is selling for $85, and also this who is selling guy at $50, which is a five choice. Okay, you can see that the guy who is selling for $15, he has multiple things like $15, $30, $40. He already has one order in queue. And let me tell you that not everyone who orders your service actually reviews you. So it can be like he got 1000 orders and just 250 reviews. So just imagine how much he has earned from Instagram post. See, even the $85 lady has one order in queue as well. And this guy have 5 orders in queue. I mean, better thing. Now I'm telling you about, I have so far told you about 2 services. Now you can even sell anything. Even you can sell Facebook post, Facebook shop ad, Facebook shop cover. I mean, everything is a huge demand. You can even create videos through it, and you can sell videos as well. Facebook videos. I mean, you can even create one Facebook video and sell it. And that can be the beauty of this thing, that like, let's say if I search for Facebook video, and let me see what is the demand of this video ads. So people are selling $35, $100, $125, $350. I mean, huge market is over here. I mean, you can do a lot of things through Canva, and the fact is that I'm already using it, and I'm already creating my ads and pictures through this. Even this is a thumbnail of this video, which can even show that this can be actually a beautiful thing. Even if I, let's say, if a Facebook page cover. And here, let's say, and this is, if I want to do something like flyer, I search for flyer. Now for Facebook page, you can see, I mean, this again, this is not as much good niche as the other pages are, but again we can see that we are actually have a relevant option here, and people are selling the service as well. But when I search for flyer, I'm going to see ample of gigs over here which people are selling. So even I told you, like, $200 is a little amount, and you can do a lot of you can make a lot of money through Canva. And I just told you the one method, and that is freelancing. Now move on to the second method. And the second method to earn money through Canva is a Canva contributor program. Although it is not available right now at the time of creating this video, but I'm sure that this will be available again. You have to keep on checking the Canva contributor page. What you have to do is, you can sell your pictures you create, or logos you create, or whatever you create. online, you can sell it, your media online on Canva, and earn money through it. And Canva will only give those to premium customers, to their pro users, and you will be paid for that. So that is another way of earning through Canva. What you can sell on Canva: photos, graphics, stickers, videos. So I mean, if you are a very good photographer, you can also do that. Or even if you can create good pictures, capture good pictures through your mobile. If you can capture those pictures, I mean, you can even sell those pictures. If you can, if you like to, it's all about thinking as a photographer, and you never know, any random picture clicked can generate huge money. So that can be another way as well of earning through Canva. And next strategy is to teach others about Canva and earn. I mean, teaching is a huge industry, and this is what I'm doing to you as well. I don't call myself a teacher, rather I'm not even an instructor, I'm just a friend. We just learn from each other. I learn from you, I learn from my mistakes, I learn from your comments, I learn from you people on what to make on, what to learn on, and that is how we keep on learning and sharing ideas about. But you can earn money through Canva as well by teaching this as a skill. Once you master the art of Canva, you can even teach it to others and charge for it. I mean, after watching this video, there can be many people who don't know how to start. Although I have tried to explain in this video on how you can do it, but still there will be many people who are confused on how they can start, and they can do it how, by teaching it. And I mean, those who are well aware can teach it and sell it. You can even create a course on Udemy and sell it over here. You can even create on Facebook, or even a Fiverr gig, like I will teach you Canva, and you can earn through that as well. You can even tell to your friends and earn money through that as well, and that can be also another good skill. And another is, you can use Canva for existing clients. If you have an existing client load, you can also use Canva them and provide them with relevant graphic and images services, and make money through by providing your clients the images and graphic services through Canva, and earning money through it. And now let's come to the conclusion part. Okay guys, I try to be fair, I try to discuss some of the ideas. I also try to did a small tutorial on Canva, and how you can create and make pictures through Canva, and how you can earn money through it. So in case if you like my video, I will be looking forward for your comment in the comments box, and which method of Canva you like the most to earn money online. Which post, if you were going to start right now, what strategy you are going to use to earn money from Canva. I will be looking forward for your comments in the comments box. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and bye bye.